Let's make this classic food, the radish stuffed flatbread, pan-fried until perfectly crisp. Start with making dough. Add 2 cups of whole wheat flour into the bowl, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix it together. If you don't have whole wheat flour, you can use all-purpose flour. Now start adding 1 cup of water in small additions. Keep adding and mixing until it makes a ball. You may need less than 1 cup of water. Mix it for 5 to 8 minutes. Now cover and let it rest until we prepare the stuffing. Use radish that weighs around 2 kilograms. Grate the radish. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and mix it. After mixing, let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, squeeze all the water out of it. Let's add some flavor in it. Add some coarsely ground spices, 1 tablespoon of dried pomegranate seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of coarsely ground coriander seeds. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 3 tablespoons finely chopped green chilies and 2 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic. Give it a good mix. It is important to use this stuffing right away, or it will release its water again, which makes it difficult to make paratha. Place around 1 cup of dough on floured surface and divide it into 8 pieces. Shape it into smooth balls. Flatten the ball to make a 5-inch circle. Press the edges with the help of fingers. Place 2 spoonfuls of stuffing in the center. Make sure not to put any stuffing on the edges. Place the other half over it. Press the edges. Roll it gently on floured surface. Gently transfer the paratha on the preheated pan. Turn the heat on medium-low. Flip it and keep moving it in the pot. When it starts showing some color on both sides, put 1 tablespoon of butter or ghee and flip it. The recipe for the homemade ghee is already posted on our channel. Keep moving and adding ghee until it is golden. Use 3 tablespoons or less ghee or butter. That is enough for this size of paratha. When it is golden on both sides, transfer it to the plate, lined with kitchen towel. It will absorb excess ghee from the surface. Make rest of the parathas. Divide the paratha into 4 equal pieces. Perfectly crisp from outside and delicious radish filling inside. Makes it a good choice for breakfast. Enjoy this classic food from South Asia. Pair up with the yogurt raita and green chutney. Check out our channel for the recipes. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.